Hello, YouTube. It's me again. So kanina, I went to Scoot Monkey around 9 a.m. 9 a.m. daw kasi open na sila para ma-check si Vespa. Kasi nga yesterday, I had an incident ng stalling habang nagpapainit. First thing in the morning kahapon, pag on ko, nag-stall. So, ang question then was, fuel pump ba? Or something else. So, pagdating ko sa Scoot Monkey, chinek naman agad ni Sir Jasper. So, meron siyang diagnostic tool doon na kinabit. And ang nakita is I forgot the term, but it has something to do with the electrical basta something electrical. So sabi niya, ang explanation niya for incidents ng stalling sa scooter or sa Vespa, dalawa lang ang chine-check niya. It's either fuel pump yan or ignition coil. And true enough, on inspection, yung wiring dun sa ignition coil mukhang faulty, parang putol or mapuputol na. I don't know paano nangyari yon. So putol, so yun ang inayos niya kanina. Pagkaayos niya, dinoble check ulit with using his diagnostic tool, hindi na lumabas yung problem. So ibig sabihin mukhang okay, hindi siya fuel pump. But syempre ang advice, observation. Observe muna ang unit. Pag naulit-ulit yung pag stall ng motor or pag namamatayan, then ibalik sa kanya and i-check again. So yun ang naging plano. Then Sir Jasper gave me advice also on what fuel to use. 95 octane ang advice niya. He also taught me mga simple troubleshooting. Pag namatayan ka sa daan, kung anong i-check, anong gagawin para maiuwi mo yung sasakyan, ang scooter. So very helpful naman. So kudos to Scoot Monkey. It's a Long E. Rodriguez. Nasa loob siya ng Caltex. Dami ng kliyente kanina buti medyo maaga ako, pangatlo ako ata or pang-apat. Anyway, sabay PMS na rin or sabay change oil na rin kasi someone, a friend of mine, mas matagal na siyang nag-Vespa kaysa sa akin, suggested or recommended na change oil every 1,000 kilometers kasi daw yung mga scooter na kagaya ng Vespa, itong sa akin S125, maliliit daw ang motor niyan, so you can do change oil every 1,000 kilometers para mas maalagaan yung motor. I mentioned it naman kay Sir Jasper, agree naman siya. So that's why I'm using yung regular oil lang, yung mineral oil, or again I don't know the term. Hindi ako nagsisynthetic or full synthetic. So Scoot Monkey, thank you. Till my next change oil after 1,000 kilometers, I'm actually nasa 3.2 3,000 to 3,200 kilometers na ako. So sana wala nang problem. It's a Saturday afternoon, after lunch actually. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to Fatima University Medical Center in Antipolo. So samahan nyo lang akong mag-ride. It's a sunny day. Yeah, medyo mainit, but mas okay na yung mainit kaysa maulan. Hindi ako nagmumotor or hindi ako nag-scooter pag umuulan. Siguro nagtataka kayo no? Pumunta ako Scoot Monkey nung morning pero hindi ako nag-video. So, kwento lang. Ganito nangyari dyan. Meron akong video papunta and pabalik. So, when I went there, naka-video ako. Was actually telling nga na pupunta ako ng Scoot Monkey. Maayos naman yon. After kong mag-Scoot Monkey, so pauwi, nag-video ulit ako. Naging problem ko is walang audio. Sorry, medyo newbie pa kasi so I wasn't able to get an audio recording ng biyahe ko pabalik, pauwi ng bahay. So may video pero walang audio. So ginawa ko, inisip ko mag-ano na lang kaya ako, i-dub ko na lang kaya, pero sabi ko hindi ko trip. So what I did was I deleted the file. Ang pagkakamali ko, I also deleted the file nung papuntang Scoot Monkey. So nawala ang recording ko. Hence nag-record ulit ako ngayon. Naging kwento na lang siya kanina. Yung kaninang nangyari sa akin, naging kwento na lang. Anyway, I'm going to Antipolo right now. Sabay testing na rin itong kung magkakaproblema pa dong Vespa. Yesterday naman nung ginamit ko siya papuntang Makati and pabalik, wala naman naging problem. Pero buti na lang napacheck ko kanina. Pag naka-open kasi yung helmet, maingay. Ito na, ang Fatima University Medical Center. It's beside Our Lady of Fatima University. Traffic lang dito kasi may ginagawa May road beautification. Ayan. We're here. Touchdown na tayo. See you later muna. So, take off na tayo. Let's go!